Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the most honest, thorough product reviews so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kenmore Bagless Upright Vacuum, specifically designed to tackle dirt, pet hair, and more on a range of surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets. Let's see if this model really delivers when it comes to cleaning power, maneuverability, and ease of use. First off, the Kenmore Bagless Upright Vacuum comes equipped with a 2-motor system that promises excellent suction power. With 1,200 watts of raw energy, this vacuum is engineered to provide an efficient clean on multiple surfaces, including carpets, hardwood, and tiles. The dual motors allow the vacuum to adjust suction power, so whether you're cleaning plush carpets or delicate rugs, you're able to switch the airflow accordingly for optimal cleaning. If you're someone who values the difference between deep cleaning your thick carpet and dusting the hardwood in your kitchen, this flexibility will likely appeal to you. Another standout feature is the HEPA filter system, which traps 99.7% of dirt, dust, and other allergens. This is particularly important for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. The filter helps keep the pollutants inside the vacuum, preventing them from being released back into the room. While the filter is effective, it's important to keep an eye on its maintenance to ensure it continues to operate at peak performance. When it comes to maneuverability, this vacuum is surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at just under 14 pounds. This makes it much easier to carry up and down stairs or move from room to room, even in larger homes. The swivel steering is a bonus, allowing you to navigate around furniture and other obstacles without much effort. Whether you're cleaning in tight spaces or under low furniture, the design is aimed at making your cleaning experience as smooth as possible. The included attachments are another reason why the Kenmore vacuum stands out. With a 10-foot hose, you're able to clean those hard-to-reach spots, like the top of shelves or the edges of your baseboards. The 3-in-1 combination tool is also worth mentioning, as it includes a crevice tool, dirt brush, and upholstery brush. These tools are perfect for cleaning upholstery, getting into corners, and lifting pet hair from your furniture or car interiors. If you've got pets, you'll appreciate how well these attachments work to keep your home hair-free. One thing to note is the vacuum's bagless design, which means there's no need to worry about purchasing replacement bags. The 2-liter bin provides plenty of capacity for dirt and debris, reducing the frequency of emptying, but it's not overly large, so frequent users might find themselves emptying it more often depending on the size of their home. When it comes to performance, the vacuum really shines on various floor types. The suction power is strong enough to pick up embedded dirt and pet hair from both carpets and rugs. However, some users have noted that while it does a great job on short pile carpet, it may not be as effective on deep pile carpets or plush shag rugs. This vacuum is best suited for homes with a mix of hard floors and medium pile carpets, rather than homes entirely covered in thick carpet. Now, no vacuum is without its quirks. For one, it's a bit loud at times, especially when set to the higher suction settings. If you're sensitive to noise, you might want to take this into consideration, as it could be a bit much in smaller, quieter rooms. Additionally, while the swivel steering is useful for maneuvering around furniture, some users have found that the vacuum can feel a little bulky when moving between rooms with tight corners. As for value, the Kenmore Bagless Upright Vacuum strikes a balance between performance and price. For the features it offers: HEPA filtration, powerful suction, lightweight design, and useful attachments, it's a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable, all-around cleaner. However, if you're on a strict budget, you might find other vacuums in the same price range that offer similar performance, but without the added bonus of the dual motor system or HEPA filtration. If you're considering alternatives, a vacuum like the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor might also be worth looking into. While it's a bit pricier, it offers similar suction power and filtration, along with a more refined design. On the other hand, the Bissell CleanView is a great budget option for those who don't need as many bells and whistles, offering solid suction at a lower price point. In terms of build quality, the Kenmore vacuum feels robust, but it's clear that it's made with affordability in mind. The plastic feels sturdy enough for everyday use, but it doesn't quite have that premium feel you might in higher-end models. Maintenance is fairly simple, with easy access to the dustbin and filters, but the brush roll can sometimes get tangled with pet hair, so you'll need to clear it out periodically. Customer service from Kenmore has generally been reliable, with responsive support for issues like warranty claims or parts replacements. While there's not a ton of information available on long-term durability, the solid construction and well-known Kenmore brand reputation suggests that it should last for several years, especially with proper care. To wrap things up, the Kenmore Bagless Upright Vacuum is a strong contender in the budget-friendly category. It offers excellent value for households that need powerful suction, great filtration, and versatility for a variety of surfaces. If you're someone who needs a vacuum that handles pet hair well and can easily transition between different floor types, this could be the vacuum for you. However, if you have thicker carpets or are sensitive to noise, you may want to consider some of the alternatives out there. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinsidetv today. If you want to grab this vacuum, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Got any questions or already own this vacuum? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums running.